Okay, so I got a mission I got to get on today. I got a rooster in the hen house, and I've got to get that thing out of there. So that's going to be our mission today. I got to go find a cage. A little advice: don't take your favorite cage and put it in front of your side by side, because you'll run over it, like I did, and ruin my best cage. So now I got to go find another one. So let's go down to the barn and see what we can find, and we'll go down there and see if we can get that rooster out. Funny story I had the other day. I had to get some hay down. I climbed up in the hay loft. First time I've been up there since my surgery. But anyway, got up there and threw one down. I reached to get another one, and that old hat running around here. It's been around here for about a year. Call it Old Gray Ghost, or him. He's sitting on that bale right beside the one I picked up, just sitting there watching me. And when I see him, he's kind of spooked, and it scared the far out of me. But it's lucky I didn't fall off and hurt my other knee. But anyway, I think I got a cage right here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. So this one will work. It's got a, I got this from the Mennonites, and they're stackable, and I used to raise guineas in it. So it'll work. I'll clean it out a little bit. It's got a feeder. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh yeah. And it's got a water on it too. So, of course, I'm not going to keep that rooster. I'm gonna get him out of there, and I'm gonna get him out of there and put him on Craigslist to sell him. All right, so let's go down there, see if we can get him out of there. We're down here, and I forgot to get a little food, but I'm gonna try it without the food. And I don't know if he'll come over here without the food or not, so might run back up there and get some real quick. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got some food, and got my gloves on. Now, I like these gloves. They've got like a tacky feel to them, so it helps me grip them. I got a little bit of arthritis. This is what I use when I get my meat chickens out, and it works really good. And I got my catching device here, so I'm gonna spin y'all around and get you set up where we can see this. It's either gonna go real good or it's gonna be comedy. So we'll find out which one. So I'll get y'all set up, and I'm gonna throw some feed down there and let him come to me. And then I'm gonna hopefully swat him with this, and we'll put him in the cage and get him on Craigslist. So there he is, right there. So I got him. Just got to be patient. First time I caught him, he broke through the net, so I had to mend it. I got some old string and fixed it up. And then the second time I caught 2 hens instead of him. So then the third time, you just gotta be patient. Yeah, like any animal, if you're patient enough with them, though, you'll get. So anyway, there he is. I'll get you a good close up of him. He's actually a pretty big rooster, actually, and he don't weigh. He's not like those meat chickens. But they'll probably, when it's so cold, we could probably eat him, put him in the freezer. But I'm gonna put him on Craigslist, like I said before. I'm glad everything went pretty good. Like I said, this is a cage I had up in the barn. I wish I had my other cage. I don't really like this cage all that much, but it'll work for what it's for. So I'm gonna take him back up to the barn and take some pictures of him, and I'll put him on Craigslist for $5 or something. And I think everybody else will calm down. I hope it didn't hurt the egg laying. So anyway, like I said, there's no baby goats today, so I don't know. You just gotta be patient with them too. Hey, we'll be live Monday night at 8 o'clock, so join us there, and talk about this little fiasco here and some other things we got going on. And appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, please, and support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.